Hello guys, today we are creating this clean animation and Alight Motion. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, get your design ready. Now let me break it down for you. Start by importing your icons, then group and mask all your icons. Do this for all your icons. Next, parent all icons to null1 and then parent null1 to null2. Now follow along. Add your cursor PNG, then apply and invert. In position, add 2 keyframes. On the first keyframe, move it a bit down. Create a smooth curve. After that, add a new null for cursor. And parent the cursor to it. Now go to its position, add 2 keyframes. So on the second keyframe, move it to the right. Now adjust the graph. Now in cursor layer, add rotation keyframe and make a graph like this. Next, go to the first icon layer, add the transform effect. In its scale, set a keyframe at 15. Set the first keyframe on 15 frames and the second one on 5. On the first keyframe, zoom it slightly. By the way, I am working at 20 FPS in this project. On the second keyframe, zoom it slightly. Now adjust the graph. Add another transform effect and repeat the process. But this time, instead of zooming in, zoom out. Now copy these effects and paste them onto all icon layer. Here's the important part. Offset each layer carefully. Offset each layer carefully so the animation trigger when the cursor reaches each icon. You might need to tweak it a few times. Just place it where it feels right. Repeat this for all layers. I'm making a few small adjustments on some layers that aren't syncing perfectly with the cursor. Now you can use it in any of your project wherever you want. And yeah, that's it. I replaced the simple rectangle with a liquid glass style using 5 layers and added a few extra animations. Follow me on Insta for quick tutorials and project files.